So it's currently 7:40 in the morning. It is -2 degrees outside, and we're going to start a new challenge. New year, new me. Now we're not going to worry about that. This year we're going to try and photograph 300 different species of birds. I think in my local area, throughout the entire year, we get about 160 different species. So that means we're going to have to do a lot of birding away from home. So it should make for some interesting videos, but also interesting challenges. Because let's be honest, probably not going to see every single bird in my area. Although that would be pretty wicked to tick that off. I think for this year, I've only seen around 80 birds, as in 2025. So 2026, it is a massive, massive increase. Just to give you an idea of how cold it is today. Yeah. So I'm hoping that doesn't present a problem. Hopefully it doesn't scare a few birds away. I've come to an area now where there's quite a lot of water, loads of different habitats, just to basically maximize my chances, really. But I think for me today, if I can get 20 to 25 different species, I'll be absolutely buzzing. A, because it's so cold, and B, I think I need to get off to a really good start just to kick off this series. I do have a year, but let's be honest, that's almost one species a day for 10 months. So doesn't leave us a lot, really. But anyway, I'm dawdling along just because it's so cold, and I think I need to get sorted and get out there, don't we? I think I underestimated how cold it is going to be. But anyway, some rules to the challenge. I have to photograph every bird myself. They can't be birds from a zoo or pet collections. So if I see a red-tailed hawk and it's got dresses on it, it's clearly not a species that's meant to be here, or I should be able to photograph it here. That doesn't mean for certain things like parakeets, for example, they do have like flocks and like almost like naturalized. So that would count. But yes, they go to a zoo wouldn't. Go to St James's Park, seeing the nene, pelicans, don't count. I think for the 300th bird, we've got to try and do something special. Let me know in the comments what you think that bird should be. And maybe we have to go somewhere, get something absolutely mad. You know, maybe like a bald eagle or something like that, because that'd be wicked, right? Maybe I'm foreshadowing, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna get to the first hide now, get our first photos, and let's kick this series off, shall we? But it's quite quiet. I'm quiet down now anyway. But yeah, that's where we're heading. Right, so early start. There's quite a few different species of birds. That's a very good start for me, right? Lighting isn't the greatest, as you can see. Still got sunrise. The moon over there, it's absolutely gorgeous, but not what I came to see. Grave errors have been made. As you can see, I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm an idiot and forgot to pack gloves this morning. I also forgot to pack any food this morning. So yeah, I'm cold, I'm hungry, and my hands are frozen. So hope that means I can get some luck elsewhere, I suppose. Marsh Harrier would do fantastic, right? That'd be cracking to see. So I just heard some action over there and I thought, oh, what's happening? But no, it was just two ducks having a bit of a squabble. But yeah, anyway, got to carry on. We've got to persevere through whatever this is, this cold snap, and hopefully it'll start to warm up a little bit. Hopefully we get some wicked shots. A kingfisher could do nicely as well. But if not, we're gonna have to crack on. I haven't got a choice. I need to get as many as I can today. Right, I'm going for a walk and you get the blood pumping because it is, my hands are just frozen. I think that could affect things for today. Just reacting. My hands are just moving really, really slow, understandably. But I'm really enjoying this challenge so far. And I think what's been great starting the challenge is I'm seeing birds that I see all the time, but I'm looking in a slightly different light because theoretically for the challenge they're new. So seeing that robin again, it's exciting because it's another one ticked off. So I think this is going to be really good for me. As you can see, completely frozen.
Wouldn't recommend ice skating on it though. But yeah, hands are cold. My face is red because it's so cold. But yeah, no, we're gonna keep on moving. We'll see what we can keep on getting. I had an encounter the last hide. I think it was a great back goal. I hope it is. World's largest goal. And the reason I say that, I got shocked. Looked over, I had to get my camera, I scrambled. Because this was huge, and I thought it was a huge bird of prey, it was huge. Go there, and it was a goal, but it was massive. And it was next to other goals, and it just absolutely dwarfed it. So I'm hoping that's what it was. But yeah, really, really good day. Really, really good morning so far. Been here about an hour and a half. The lighting is much better now, which is good, right? But we're going to say walk, get some blood flowing, hopefully pick up some different species as well. Some red wing over there. Let's try and get them. Just want to show this moment to you guys. During Cinderella, when all the birds keep on flocking to her and things like that seems to be happening right now. It's got a blue tit up there, got Robin, Robin's there, so Robin's sitting nicely. Come here, small blue tit, and it feels like they're all following me and landing near me. It's made some pretty cool photos, so I can't complain, but it's just been really cool. There we go. I mean, look how tame this robin is. Like, almost getting a selfie with Robin. Oh, there's a blue tit there as well. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is absolutely crazy. It's great tit there. Robin's there now. I think this is an amazing morning for birding. I'm just going to keep on walking because this is, it's nuts. They're literally, it's literally following me. Like they think I've got seeds or whatever, and they're just following. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But it's pretty cool. The Robin's just there again. But yeah, this little stretch here has been magical. Probably been one of the best stretches I've had. Just, not for anything rare, just for how cool it's been. I don't know, what do you think? Right, so enough of me being Cinderella now. Come to this area here. It's been quite good. Some great little spots. Common pockards there, beautiful birds, shovelers, widgeon. Been a great place where I can get close enough where I can get some great pictures of 800, but I'm not too close where I'm going to spook them. So that's really good. I think we're in a really, really good start for this challenge today, and for the year. So we are going to continue walking around because I've literally done about a quarter of the walk of where I'm at. And there's a couple more highs still to check out. But yeah, beautiful day nonetheless. Long may it continue. Long may this challenge continue. And hopefully we can get to the 300, right? That'd be cracking. I didn't think it was possible to get as frozen as I am now. I am hungry. My hands are frozen. Obviously the bird count's been great. And I do want everyone to put that in perspective. Although the numbers look great today, I am finding a lot of really common birds, right? And as the time goes on, this challenge is just going to get harder and harder and harder. And there are times when I go out, I don't see anything new because I'm getting all the common ones now. So I just got to bear that in mind, really. But I've got to take advantage of it today whilst I can, right, and get as many common ones out of the way so I can start planning and going, okay, this is the location I need to go to try and see X, Y, Z. Obviously this year, Bempton Cliffs with the puffins and gannets, that is 100% on the cards because they're 100% birds. I want to make sure they're out onto the 300. Like, equally, if you know any locations that you think this is great for a certain species that I might not have around Northamptonshire, put it in the comments. Really, really interested to see. I say, need to get venturing out, need to get this 300. This cold is so worth it. So, remember last year, last long form video, follow my nemesis bird, the bullfinch. Yeah, that. Just right out here on these trees and bushes. Not only did I see a bullfinch, I've seen a female and a male. I feel absolutely blessed. This is what it's all about. This is what birding is all about. But knowing that there's a pair here at least, that's incredible news. I'm frozen. Like, I'm so hungry and I'm so cold. But to have bullfinches this early on my 300, this has made today itself all worth it. Favourite bird in the UK, without a doubt. And do you know what? The male's gorgeous. I'll say the coloration is gorgeous, but the female's equally just as beautiful. Obviously not as colourful, but wow. Special birds. Right, well, I've come to sit and hide. I needed to get some sort of shelter. The wind's picked up a little bit and it's made the cold worst. But glad I did, very lucky. Came sat down, unfortunately didn't get a picture of the sparrowhawk that I decided to shoot through. Scared a lot of the little birds away, as you can imagine. Greenfinch though, common reed button. So yeah, been great here. As soon as I stopped recording speaking to you guys, blackcap, sat lovely, gorgeous birds. But this has been so fruitful. And with the bullfinch and now the blackcap, that's two birds I didn't think I'd get today or for a while, ticked off that 300. So I don't think it could have gone any better than what it is now. Walking into the sun now. So apologies, it's very bright on my face. But I'm so cold. I'm sub-freezing. I don't know how long I can do this for today now. It's just been wonderful. The sun's been wonderful and I want to take advantage of it. Same time though, I am hungry, like really hungry. Although I'm not going to waste away, but I feel like I've done a really good start of this challenge. I've got a bit more regardless what happens now anyway. So video's not done. More species could be about. I've got a couple more highs to check out, and fingers crossed we get another little treat. Kingfisher, marsh harrier, as I said, will definitely set us off on the right pace, right? What a year that start to the year that would be. Anyway, we continue. I thought this has got cruelly funny in a weird sort of way. You might pan back with us to the bullfinches. And I said before, when I capture one, I probably see them all the time. Third one in the reserve today. So that's absolutely incredible. Photos were probably the worst ones out of the three, but to see the third one was just mad. I've let people know that I've seen in the hide I was just at, purely because I know a lot of people have been waiting to see them. They haven't been seen here for quite a while, or not in decent numbers anyway. So to have 3 in one day, hopefully that means this year is going to be great. Been a bit quiet, I've had a bit of a lull, although I will just point out, I am going to show you something now, which did make up for it. Sat in another hide for a good sustained amount of time, and red kite comes darting down, and it's looking down. It's like it wants something. I'm trying to get a good shot of the red kite. I was struggling. One thing that I've never had before is a red kite that's landed. This red kite decides to land on the middle island. So I managed to get that shot, and I'm so pleased. And I think I'm almost at the car park, so this is where we end it today for this first challenge video. And what a start it has been. Do follow along, because 300 is a huge number to get, and we have to pull some tricks out of the bag to get some new bird species to get to that 300 this year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you next time.